and lesson 85, and we will explain how to add two-digit numbers. By the end of the lesson, you will be able to add two-digit numbers with regrouping using place value mat method and using carry up method. Add two-digit numbers with regrouping using place value mat method. First, you should know what is the place value mat. The place value mat is a table consists of 3 hundreds and tens and ones. Before we start to add two-digit numbers, we will make a quick revision to represent a number using a place value mat. Represent the following number using place value mat. Our number is 253. First, you should write the houses of the digits, the place value. The first place value from left is hundreds, and we put H. And the second place value from left is tens. And the third place value from left is ones. And it is the smallest place value. Let's represent it using dots and straws or sticks and blocks for hundreds. First, you should draw two blocks, each block for 100. So we draw two blocks because we have two hundreds. Second, you should in the tens place draw 5 sticks or 5 straws because you have 5 tens. At the ones place, you should draw 3 dots because you have 3 ones. Example number 1. Directions: use the place value mat to solve 26 plus 39. First, we should draw the place value mat, which consists of tens and ones because we don't have hundreds. Before we start, you should know each 10 you will draw a straw or a stick. Each one you should draw dot. And it's a very important point. Each 10 ones you should regroup them as 110. If you find 10 dots in the ones place, you should replace them by one stick or one straw. Again, if we find 10 dots in the ones place, you should remove them and put one straw in the tens place. Let's start. First, you should draw the ones of the first number, which is 6 ones, and the tens is 2 tens. After that, you should draw 9 ones and 3 tens. 9 ones, and after that you should draw 3 sticks because you have 3 tens. 1, 2, 3. After that, you should count the total number of ones. You should count the total number of ones. Excellent. When you see 10 ones or 10 dots, you should make box around them and put them in the tens place, like that. And after that, you must cancel them. You must cancel them. After that, you should count the ones which are 5 ones because we have 5 dots after cancelling the 10 dots. So we have 5 ones. After that, you should count the total number of tens, the total number of sticks that we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sticks. That means we have 6 tens. 6 tens. So at the tens place we have 6 sticks, and at the ones place we have 5 dots. So the answer will be 26 plus 39 equal 6 tens and 5 ones. So the answer will be 65. Let's take another example. Example number 2. Directions. Use place value math to solve 56 plus 17. But we will solve this example using two methods. The first method, we will use the place value math, and the second method, we will make a draft and use the carry up method. Let's start with the easy one, which is the place value math. As you know, you should draw the ones and the tens of the first number, which is 56. We have 6 ones and 5 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones. Excellent. And you should draw 5 straws or 5 stacks in the tens place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And after that, you should draw the second number, which is 17. We have 7 ones and 1 10. 7. You should draw 7 ones and 1 10, so you will draw 1 stack. After that, you will count the total number of ones. If you find 10 ones, you should put them into the tens place, as we will do. Now we counting the number of dots, the number of ones. Now we have 10. Excellent. We should stop here and make the same step. Box, arrow, and cross them and cancel them and put 1 stick in the tens place. So after that, you should count the rest of the ones and the total number of tens. 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 ones and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tens, and we have 7 tens. So the answer will be 56 plus 17 equals 7 tens and 3 ones. The answer is 73. Let's start the second method. You should write the two numbers in vertical way, 56 plus 17. As we said before, you should start from ones. We said it many times. So 6 plus 7 equal 13. You will put 3 and the 1 will be carried up. And after that, you will add the 3 digits 1, 5, 1. 1 plus 5, as you know, you can use your fingers, 5 fingers and 1 finger, and count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 plus 1 equal 7. And you can use another method. You can put 5 in your mind and 1 in your hands. After 5, 6. And 6 in your mind, 1 in your hands. After 6, 7. So the answer is 73. You have to check the answer of the first method, which is place value math method, 73, and the answer of carry up method at 73. Again, you should find the two answers the same. 56 plus 17 carry up method equals 73. 56 plus 17 using place value math equal 73. This is the last example in our lesson. I hope to see you soon. Thank you.